Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a particle animation like this in After Effects. In this tutorial I use Trapcode Particular plugin and also Optical Flare plugin. It's very easy. Let's get started. First, I'll add new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30, duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Then I'll go to layer, new null object, and I'll make it 3D. And if you don't see this, you can go to switch here and click OK. Yeah. Then I'll go to layer and I'll add a light, and I'll name it emitter like this as a point. Then hit OK. Let me put it down, and I'll go to null object, press P, also emitter, I'll press P. Then I'll go to position null object, and I'll copy X, Y, and Z, and I'll paste it into the position emitter. Okay. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, and 0. So now the emitter point into the middle of our scene like null object. Okay, then I'll go to emitter and Control D to copy it. I'll press P. Let me put emitter 2 down. I'll go to emitter 2 position Y. Okay, and I'll add minus or plus 150, then enter. Then I'll go to emitter, then I, and I'll add minus 150 and enter. Okay, like this. So now we have emitter up and emitter 2 down our null object. Then I'll go to emitter, shift emitter 2, and I'll parent both with null object. So now if I move null object, it will move with our lights. Okay. Okay, so now let me add a particle. So I'll go to layer, new solid, and I'll name it particles. Then hit OK. Go to effect, Trapcode, yeah, particular. Okay, so now we have a particles. Let me go to emitter and set point to lights like this. Then I'll go to emitter size X, Y, and Z, and I'll change it or decrease it to 50. Also velocity, I'll change it to 50. Like this. And okay, let me go to first frame, and I'll go to null object, press P for position and keyframe, and I'll move X position like this. Then I'll go to frame 4 or 4 frames forward, and I'll move X position like this. Let's see. Okay. Okay, now again I'll go to particle, and particle per second, I'll change it to 200. Sorry, 200. Okay, yeah. Okay, now I'll go to particle, sphere, set sphere to glow sphere, and also size random, I'll change it to 100, and I'll change size to random, opacity random, I'll change it to 100. Then I'll go to opacity over life and presets, and I'll choose this one. Okay, like this. this. And also I'll go to set color at start and I'll choose random from gradient. Then I'll go to color gradient presets and I'll choose these blue colors and I'll change these colors to yellow. Okay. Okay, so now I'll go to effect, stylize, and I'll add a glow threshold. I'll change it to 80 and I'll increase radius and Control T to copy. And let me change threshold to 90. I'll increase radius and degrees intensity to -3. Okay. Also, I'll go to effect and I'll add color correction curves and RGB. I'll create curve like this and one like this. Okay, now I'll go to layer and I'll add a new solid as a optical layers. Then I'll go to effect, video copilot and optical flares. Okay, so now I'll go to source type 2D, set 2D to track light, and also I'll go to render mode and I'll change it to on transparent like this and see. Okay, now I'll go to options and I'll choose crazy light like this and I'll hide this light and this, and I don't need this one and this one also. Okay, here and here. Like this. Okay. Okay, last one. Okay, this is good, and change this color to yellow. Okay, and it's okay. And see, now I'll go to brightness and I'll change it to 30. Also, scale, I'll change it to 20. And some brightness here, like this. Okay, this is good for me. So now again, I'll go to null object, okay, and press R. Then I'll go to X rotation. I'll click and I'll type time times 200, and let me see this and see. So let me see this. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.